Welcome to another Kevin's English School's English learning video. And I just wanted to talk about that you're lucky to be able to learn English. Many students say they don't like to study English or they don't like homework, but I think everyone likes learning something new. So try to think of all your classes that you are learning something new. Maybe you don't like homework so much, but you are learning something new. What else can I tell you? Try to study on the train. It can be easy study. Maybe listen to music, listen to English songs. Those are often good. What else? Reading a book. Reading a book is good. Those kind of things. You try to do your hobbies in English. So if you enjoy watching movies, watch some English movies or watch some English TV shows. Try to get into those kind of things. It's really important that you try to make your world into an English-speaking world as much as you can. So try to enjoy it. It really should be fun, and you can make it fun. You can, of course, get a part-time job where you use English, maybe at a hotel or a restaurant with lots of tourists, those kind of things. Maybe even a bar that has lots of tourists. So yeah, those kind of things can help you a lot. In terms of Japanese, I'm trying to get into reading more books. I find kanji very difficult, but I'm trying to get better at it. I've learned hiragana and katakana, so like my students, I'm trying to read more books. I watch certain TV shows or movies. Not often enough, actually. I think I tend to watch things in English too much, but for my own study, I think I need to watch more Japanese TV to improve my Japanese. So try to think about what you can do to improve your English, and that should help. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. Please leave a comment. We'd love that. It helps with the algorithm. And we'll see you in the next video.